Travis. I live on the Mississippi Gulf Coast in a city called Pascagoula. We build ships. We have a lot of great seafood, and the casinos on the Gulf Coast are fabulous. So if you ever want to do a nice vacation, it's a great place to come. I was looking for a company to purchase some units from and checked a lot of companies and came across Lordhair online and went back and forth several times looking at the various products and items that they did offer, and lots of videos backed up a lot of the things that they manufactured. So I bought a unit and cut it in myself. And it was better than anything I had had in the last 10 years. So I bought 2 more and cut them in myself and really loved them. They were quality, the hair was great, easy to work with, long lasting. And I purchased the stock units because I don't skydive or do the things that other people do in terms of getting out in a highly sports competitive atmosphere. But I do wear hair every day, and I worked for so many years and now retired, but still wear it every day. So I wanted something that was going to be durable, but looked good. Later, I started getting the units cut in at the manufacturing level, and those folks do just a fabulous job. So now when you order one and they come in, they're ready to wear. And maybe a little bit of maintenance on it to originally get it like you want it, but most of the time they're just slap dab perfect. No, I really don't. They're both conditioned the same, and the wave that comes with the unit is very, very close to my own natural wave. And I've always felt that it's hard to tell in my own mind through the feel of where it actually starts and begins. I mean, I know where it is, but as far as the contours and the styles of the hair itself, it's very, very, very good. I started losing my hair when I was 15. I grew up in New Orleans, and when you have parents like mine, they tell you, you wash your hair too much, you're going to lose your hair. Of course, that had nothing to do with it, but I was pretty much gone by the time I was 20. And by the time I was 22 or 3, it was time to do something about it. And of course, not having any knowledge of hair products at that age, and there wasn't an internet, and there weren't companies you could research. I ordered and bought something that pretty much looked like a pie pan, with hair on top of it. It kind of beat into a shape. And wore that for actually a fairly long time, but that's when I found the company in Miami in the mid-70s, and was very pleased with the units. Like I say, very sad that they stopped selling, but once again, when one door closes, another opens, and that was Lordhair. I do it myself. Tape. I wear every day, but I don't wear it at nighttime. I don't sleep in them simply because I'm a terrible sleeper, but always showered, shampooed, and right back on. Yeah. Oh, just amazing. You order it. I pay through PayPal. I have my account at Lordhair. You place the order. It takes a day, I guess, or so to cut in once you place the order. But I'm in Mississippi and order a hairpiece and get it from the manufacturer in just a matter of days. You can't put a price on that. I use about 5 or 6. I keep 1 or 2 for special occasions, 1 or 2 that I wear all the time, and then always 1 or 2 in the box, ready to go, yeah. At times in your life, price is important, but the price for Lordhair products are so great that doesn't become a factor. I looked at something that would actually last a little longer. I've tried the units that look fabulous, but I don't really care for the skin units. So I try to get a unit that's somewhere between very, very pliable, but also going to have the strength to give me a good amount of use out of it. I think the biggest thing is when somebody says, boy, your hair looks good. It looks great. To me, that would top anything else. Strangely enough, yeah. I wouldn't think so, and in the beginning it was kind of, are they being cheeky? No, they're sincere, and that kind of, to me, tells it all. You know, if they say it looks good, then it looks good to them. It always looks good to me, but that's a whole different ball game, you know. To me, for a better you means the confidence to do the things you want to do. And if a Lordhair product gives me that, there's not too many things else in the world that can do that. To you, not only at a terrific price, but quality that you won't find anywhere else.